Gamos. The Greek word gamos means marriage or wedding. The combining form game has the meanings marriage, union, fertilization, or pollination. For example, allogamy means fertilization of the pistil of a plant by pollen from another of the same species. Here are some other words derived from gamos. Anisogamy, meaning the difference in size or shape between male and female gametes, reproductive cells, often seen in species with sexual reproduction. Example sentence: when in isogamy, the male gametes are typically smaller and more mobile than the larger, often immobile female gametes. Exogamy, meaning the practice of marrying outside one's social group, community, or tribe. Example sentence: the cultural tradition of exogamy helped to strengthen social ties between different communities. Heterogamy, meaning the occurrence of different forms or stages in the life cycle of an organism, or the presence of variations in the structure of chromosomes within a species. Example sentence: heterogamy in plants involves the alternation of generations between a gametophyte and a sporophyte. Monogamy, meaning the practice of having only one spouse or mate at a time. Example sentence: many bird species exhibit monogamy, forming lifelong bonds with a single mate. Bigamy, meaning the act of being married to two people at the same time. Example sentence: bigamy is illegal in many jurisdictions and can result in legal consequences for those involved. Polygamy, meaning the practice of having more than one spouse simultaneously. Example sentence: a polygamy can take various forms, including polygyny, one man with multiple wives, and polyandry, one woman with multiple husbands. Misogamy, meaning a strong dislike or hatred of marriage. Example sentence: his aversion to commitment in marriage suggested a deep-seated misogamy that made it difficult for him to form long-term relationships. Cryptogamic, meaning or relating to or characteristic of cryptogams, which are plants that reproduce by spores and do not produce flowers or seed. Conclusion: the combining form gamo means joined, united, joined.